Assalamu alaikum. This is Nadra from Working Girl Cooks. Hope you all will be fine. Thanks for supporting and subscribing my cooking channel. Guys, today I am sharing with you how to make healthy sourdough bread at home using homemade sourdough starter and traditional homemade milk kiffa. Without further ado, let's check the ingredients. 1 cup almond flour, 1 cup split flour, 1 tablespoon psyllium husk, which is asfagola husk, 1 tablespoon salt, 1 cup homemade sourdough starter, 1 cup homemade milk kiffa, 1 tablespoon honey, 1 tablespoon melted butter. Make the dough. I will mix dry and wet ingredients together. At this stage I am just mixing them. So dry ingredients will be folded with wet ingredients. Main kneading and shaping will be done on the worktop. I sprinkle flour on the worktop and transfer my dough on there. Here kneading and shaping will be done, and this process my husband is gonna do because he loved this process. Just kneading and shaping, kneading and shaping, kneading and shaping, because as kneading and shaping will be done nicely, so we will get the nice result. Now dough is getting on, so we will leave it aside for 1 hour for proof, and after 1 hour the same process will be repeated. In the meantime, dough is proving. I will prepare the dish. I took the Pyrex dish because dough will be baked on it. So I took a tea towel and I am sprinkling a generous amount of flour on it. Now let's check the dough. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Now dough is ready. Mashallah, it's getting on. Here I'm just fold it. I don't need to knead or do good shake or something. Yeah. Now I place it on the flour. Now I will sprinkle more flour on it, and I will fold the dough with my tea towel. At this stage I will put the lid on and leave the dough on room temperature to prove at least 24 hours. Now 24 hours gone. I brought my dough on the worktop, and you can see how smooth and light is my dough. Look at this. Yeah, again here we will do shaping, and my husband is here to do this. Yeah, and I can say that it's not completely gluten free, but less gluten. Yeah. Now this process is very important to get the good result of bread. So as nice, now I sprinkle flour on it. Not I, my husband. And dough is ready to go on the lid. Reason to take the lid, because at this time lid will be based and dish will come on top. Before that we will put the deep cut on the dough. Reason to put the deep cut on the dough, so during cooking dough is not gonna crack from sides. Don't hesitate, just give a deep cut. Yeah, good. Now we put the dish on top. Reason to put the dish on top, during bake it will generate steam, so we don't need water bath. Oven is already preheated on gas mark 6 to 7 to 30 degrees centigrade and 400 Fahrenheit. After 25 minutes, lid will be removed and put the dough back in the oven to bake for about 25 minutes on the same temperature. Dough is cool down and time to slice. I asked my husband to do this. You can see bread is nicely cooked and so soft. Guys, this is my homemade sourdough. It is so nutritious and healthy. I hope you will like it. If you want to know how to make sourdough starter and milk kifa at home, please put on in my comments box. I will give you reply and I will put links in my description box. Thanks for watching this video. If you are new on my channel, please subscribe it and press the bell icon. I will bring more healthy and nutritious recipe for you. Till then, take care. Assalamu alaikum. Allah Hafiz.